Hello you guys, welcome back to Bree'shoneypotnursery. For you guys that are new, my name is Bree and thank you guys for tuning in today. In this video, I am going to be showing you what I pack in my Reborn baby dolls diaper bag. I'm going to show you guys what I pack in advance for outings. As you guys may know, I do have a newborn baby right now, a real newborn baby, so I really don't take this out. Well, I don't take the newborn baby out with my Reborn because that's just like way too much. But when I go on outings with just the Reborn, this is the diaper bag that I take, and it's like for a girl, so I thought I'd go ahead and show you what I pack up. And then before I start this video, don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and don't forget to like and share this video. Okay, so firstly, I packed diapers. These are a size preemie. Depending on the baby size, I pack what size they are, and I put them in the bigger part of the diaper bag. Then you know babies spit up a lot, so I have two burp cloths. I have this one, it's yellow, or like a mustard orange, is yellowish color. And then I have this one with flowers on it, super cute. So I have two of these. And then I just put these on like the outside corners and roll them up. And then of course, when you're feeding a baby, you would like to have a bib on them, so I have this floral bib. And then I just put this on the inside with the diapers. You can't forget baby wipes. So of course, when babies poop or pee, you have to have something to wipe them with. So I packed that in the bigger size part. Then I have a couple of sleepers, because even like when the weather is hot outside in the summertime, when it gets like later in the day, it starts to cool down, so it's good to have sleepers or footies for your babies. I have two of those. And then you always want to pack an extra onesie with the baby, just for accidents or whatever may happen. Then I have this little hat, pink hat, which is really cute. An extra bobo or binky, which is really cute. And I put that on the outside so it's easy to find. And then we have some diaper rash cream. Of course, Reborn dolls don't need diaper rash cream, but just for role play, I like to have this in the diaper bag. And then I put this on the side so it's easy access, because when you're changing diapers, you want things to be easy accessible. And then for like downtime, when we are over someone's house, or like, you know, just need something extra to do, I have this I Love Pete kitty book. And then for colds and snotty noses or whatever, have this nose syringe bulb. Then we have a brush just to fix the doll's hair whenever it gets messed up or whenever it needs to be fixed. Then we have a pair of socks. These are really cute. They have like little bows on them. I love them. Oh, and another binky. You can't have too many binkies. A pair of scratch mittens, of course. I think, do these, oh yeah, they match. I think they match. I don't know. It doesn't look like they match, but you get the idea. And then an extra head bow. Then for role play, I got this children's Tylenol. It's empty. It's my kid's old bottle, but I thought that would be cute to add to the diaper bag. And it's also good to have a changing pad for your babies, because you don't want to put them down on yucky surfaces when you're changing them. So that is good. And then if you don't have a changing pad, you could use a receiving blanket, which works the same. But if you do that, I would suggest you get two, because you don't want to, like, if you're using the receiving blanket to cover up your baby as well, you don't want to put it on the baby after you put it on the surface, if that makes sense. So, but since I have the changing mat, I got the one receiving blanket to cover up the baby if she gets cold. And then a water bottle for making milk. And then of course a bottle. Oh, sorry. Then of course a bottle for your baby. It's not sealed, which I need to seal, but you get the idea. But yeah, that's what I pack in my baby's diaper bag. And I pack, depending on the video, I might pack a pre-made bottle, or I might get like a little tube of lotion to go along with that. But here is the diaper bag. Really cute. And by the way, I got this diaper bag a while back, I think from Walmart, and this is the smaller version of it. It actually came with like a bigger bag, which I don't have anymore. My daughter wants to say hi. But this is what the diaper bag looks like from the inside. But yeah, I thank you guys so much for watching. I know that was a short video, but I just wanted to give you guys a video to see what I pack in my diaper bag. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and stay tuned for more. Alright, bye.